Everybody, thank you for checking out our video today here at the Auto Connect. We have a 2008 Lexus RX400 Hybrid, 156,000 miles on it. We just serviced it. Has like new Michelin tires on it, aftermarket tow hitch on here. Really nice condition, drives great. Do a walk around. You can see this trim piece here has a little bit of paint fade on it. But besides that, the body's in excellent shape. Interior is clean as well. And this one is loaded up, so it has leather, nav, backup camera, heated seats, sunroof. So definitely was ahead of its time for '08. As you can see, nice leather. Very comfortable car too. Has a sunroof. Check out the inside. Seats are in good condition. You have one small tear there. We'll go ahead and start it up. Again, it has 156,000 miles on it. And it is on. You can't even hear it. It's high. 156,450. If this is something you might be interested in, definitely give us a holler. 228-438-2056. You could call us or text us. If you have any repair needs for Lexus, Audi, Volkswagen, or Porsche, definitely give us a holler. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and thanks for checking out this video.